Hello, Nicole here with Gorilla Safety. Today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your Compact ELD device. This tutorial is strictly for Compact ELD users. First, log into Gorilla Fleet Intelligence and navigate to your driver's dashboard. Go to the menu. On iOS, this is going to be the More button on the bottom right. On Android, hit the menu on the top left. Once in your menu, go to Settings. When you're in the settings, verify that you have a Prime8 Compact underneath the Scan button. This is accurate. Go ahead and scan, and this will connect you to your ELD device. Once that's done, hit Finish. If you have any unidentified driving time, on your menu you will see unidentified driving time logs being downloaded. You can update once this is complete. The next step is to navigate to your ELD info menu. From here, you can update your ELD firmware. This will take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. Once your firmware is completed updating, you will get a notice that the ELD update was successful, the ELD has rebooted, and you will need to repair. In order to do this, go back to your menu, click Settings again, and scan to connect to the ELD. This completes your tutorial of updating your firmware for Compact ELD devices. For further questions, please visit www.gorillasafety.com.